Flight number 1.
Flight 2 of 2. Got a little hut. That's what they want, the full frame of the main problem.
Hello from our hotel room. So today is a travel day. Where are we going? Manila. So we're flying to Kuala Lumpur at 3 o'clock and then to Manila from there. And we've had a storm all morning. And our pool is like fluorescent green. It isn't very good.
It fits?
The ball fits.
It's a bit, yeah.
Yes, we're all packed up, so my stuff's here, Kyle's stuff's there, and we're leaving in about 10 minutes to check out and then going to the airport. And Langkawi Airport is the teeniest, tiniest airport ever. There's like nothing there really, so we're leaving it a bit later before we go because there's not much to do there. And then I think it's an hour and 10 minutes to Kuala Lumpur, and then we've got 2 hours 20 to wait, and then 4 hours 10 minutes to Manila, and then we'll land in Manila at 10 o'clock, and then on tomorrow we're flying again at 8:30 in the morning, so we're going to be in our hotel for like 6 hours, so we'll not be having much sleep tonight, but it'll be worth it, we hope. Are you excited?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Can't wait.
I can't wait.
Kutras at the airport. Now in the airport.
We would like to invite passengers requiring special assistance.
So we've got through security. Security is there. And then this is what it looks like when you go through. And the plane is right there. There's no like going through tunnels and all sorts. You just walk out them doors and get out the door. There's a Costa, a WH Smith, and just like a little stand, and that's it.
Everyone's gonna kill us for that, so.
And the duty free is on the other side of security because this is a tax-free island. So yeah, but through security it's now 12:40, so we've got 2 hours until our plane arrives, and there's no Wi-Fi apparently. Might go and have a wander along the Costa and get a drink or something. But yeah, stroll along there if you want to go and get like coffee or something. Well, one of them creamy coffee.
Look at that posture.
Like one of them caramelly, frappy macchiato things.
Oh, can you get as well?
No, we'll go together.
We can't. I can't. That's the last thing to make it.
See how many things though?
Yeah, but these are really good ones.
Yeah, it's okay, we can go together.
No.
Yeah? Well, I'm not going.
Thank you.
Flight number 1. Very loud. Very loud.
Hello. Can I say we're in with 39 and 26? Oh, together.
Yes. Thank you.
Hello. Can I say we're in Boston?
Thank you.
Yes. On your right. Next to the ice.
You've nearly left them. iPad.
Hello.
Didn't you? Nearly leave your iPad.
I thought I did, but
Butchered it. We're now on flight 2 of 2. 2 of 2. And this is the view. Oh, thanks.
Not having a fun time. Having a fun time.
We're having a fun time.
Are you having a fun time?
Yeah, we're having a fun time. Yeah, fun time. People, day one in Moalboal. This is our little hotel room. Got a little hut, little cottage type thing. Got some bungalows. This is next door, like hostel vibes next door. Hostel world next door. And yeah, this is it. We've got a pool down at the front on the beach. I wouldn't say it's on the beach, it's a bit up from the beach. I'll show you when we go down. And we're gonna go get some, just wander along the beach and get some food, a drink, dehydrated as fuck, and just have a wander, see what the crack is. We've just put our sun cream on. It's 7 UV today, 31 degrees. My sun cream will be dry in about 5 minutes. I always got to give yourself 15 minutes. We went down last night. We didn't vlog anything. We had like 3 long days of travelling and we were tired. Some may say that's lazy. I may agree. But it's also fucking tiring. We went from Langkawi to Kuala Lumpur on a plane, which was an hour, and then a couple hours layover. I think it was like maybe 2 hours layover. By the time I got off the plane, we just had to go get some food and go to the next plane to Manila, and then we got to Manila at I think it was about 10 o'clock at night, and then we didn't actually get to our hotel until 1 o'clock in the morning because we had a faff on getting money out. None of the ATMs were working, and then we tried to book some grabs and just pay on card, and then none of them would pick us up, so we were stressed a bit, and then everyone was trying to scam you. All the taxi drivers at the hotel were trying to scam you. Some of them were charging 2,000 pesos. Luckily we actually had an idea what was going on. And we got in, got to sleep maybe about 2:30, and then we had to get our flight at 9 o'clock to Cebu from Manila. Got to Cebu at maybe about 10 o'clock. Got out the airport, got in the hotel maybe about 1 o'clock or something like that. And then we stayed overnight in Cebu, and both Manila and Cebu were not my cup of tea at all. I was skits to bits the whole time, making sure that we didn't get robbed. And then I'm glad we're in Moalboal now. It seems sound. A lot of the locals seem polite, happy, nice people. Still got to have your wits about you because we're in a new country and we don't have a clue what's going on really. Do you know what I mean? What the lingo is around here and stuff like that.
Hello everyone. So we're now in Moalboal, and we've just come down to the beach, and this water is so clear. Look how clear that is. And then there's people out snorkeling over there. And apparently you can see turtles here, and apparently you can see them when you're only like knee deep in water as well. Favourite water?
Possibly, yeah. I don't know if it's like clear. I don't know if it's because we're right above it though. We're higher, we're not being higher.
It is so clear though. It must get deeper just where it gets dark there.
Yes. Yeah.
We're just having an explorey, wandering around, seeing what's here, seeing what the crack is. Wow. Very pretty. That's you. So we're now at a pool that we can use in next door's hotel. Actually really nice. We're just gonna chill by the pool for the rest of the day. We've got a restaurant there if we wanted a drink. And the sea is just here. And then this is the view. Oh, that is so clear. And very calm. Very calm and very pretty. We're going to go snorkeling tomorrow. And then go to a nice beach tomorrow as well. And then the canyoneering the day after, which is like the waterfall excursion thing. Yeah. Pool bar. What are you getting?
I'm getting a Piña Colada.
Piña Colada.
260, which is about £4, isn't it?
Yeah. To go.
That's what I've been wanting, the full 3 month main problem.
Really? Hello. Smile for the camera.
What are you doing? Look how high I can. What's the height?
You look like a pencil.